What's the meaning of canonic? Canonic. Canonic.
Canonic. Canonic. The term canonic refers to something that is accepted as being fundamental or authentic within a particular context. It often implies a level of authority or recognition for a particular work, idea, or individual. For example, in music, a piece may be considered canonic if it is widely recognized and performed as an essential work within its genre. Similarly, in literature, an author's canonic status may be determined by the enduring popularity and influence of their work within the literary canon. Overall, canonic suggests a significant level of significance and importance within a given field or tradition.